Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News. Is Expo Systems first to implement Lockheed Martin's secure AI platform for rocket manufacturing? Expo Systems Incorporated has become the first company to integrate Lockheed Martin's Astris AI Factory, a secure artificial intelligence platform, into its rocket motor production operations. The agreement enables Expo to adopt defense-grade AI to accelerate manufacturing of tactical solid rocket motors and meet urgent national security demands. The AI platform will support Expo's most critical production processes, including secure data governance and factory control, to deliver faster and more cost-effective systems. According to the company, this move establishes a trusted digital backbone for its manufacturing operations. Expo is implementing a secure AI agent as the first step in building an accredited digital environment to scale production of solid propellant technologies. This step is key to validating the security of its Advanced Manufactured Solid Propellant (AMSP) processes for U.S. missile and hypersonic programs. The Astris AI Factory, proven in classified environments, allows Expo to manage its proprietary manufacturing data with defense-grade protection throughout the production cycle. It ensures the integrity of sensitive information from design to final deployment. The platform also enhances operational control by using generative AI and MLOps machine learning operations tools to improve engineering efficiency and enable faster process iterations. This is aimed at increasing reliability and speed in defense manufacturing. The agreement will allow Expo to scale the AI platform across its full production enterprise, improving real-time manufacturing execution and increasing output of tactical and large-scale rocket motors. The system is designed to optimize performance while maintaining security and compliance in government-regulated environments. The integrated AI framework gives Expo the ability to analyze proprietary data in real time, supported by multiple large language models for process optimization and digital twin accuracy. It also simplifies the accreditation process, a critical requirement for defense contractors. This customer agreement dramatically improves our ability to secure the necessary accreditation to scale up manufacturing, said Jason Hundley, founder and CEO of Expo Systems. This secure accredited digital backbone is a game-changer for data governance and production integrity, allowing us to focus our engineering resources on delivering rapid, affordable solid rocket motors for our customers. This collaboration marks a defining moment in bringing trusted and reliable AI directly to mission-critical environments, said James Driscoski, CRO, Astris AI. By integrating the Astris AI Factory platform into Expo's advanced manufacturing operations, we're helping deliver a secure data-driven foundation that accelerates production, strengthens supply chain resilience, and upholds the highest standards of national security. Together, we're proving that AI can transform both speed and affordability for critical systems that protect our nation. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.